How to fix meta verification not available for Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss how we can fix if meta verification is not available on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, if you open the Facebook application and then you come to your profile icon from here and then you tap the three dots option from here, you'll find a new option over here known as Meta Verified. Now this is basically a new update. Now let's just say that for some reason you're not being able to find this option. Why is it? Now there are a couple of eligibility requirements that you need in order to enable Meta Verification. That is that in order to subscribe your profile to Meta Verification, your account needs to be at least over 18 years of age. So it could also be a public or private profile that is associated with your full name, aligns with the naming standards, and has a profile picture that includes your face. And aside from this, in order to meet the minimum activity requirements, you need to actually have a prior posting history as well. Only after you've done all of that processes, you should be able to find Meta Verification option. However, if you're still not being able to find that option, it could just mean that you have to understand Meta Verification is a new update and has not rolled out to all of the regions as well. So in that case, what you want to do is constantly check for updates on Facebook. You can open up your Play Store, in the search box just go ahead and type in Facebook and then just patiently wait until Facebook updates it and gives you the Meta Verification feature over here. Now you might be telling that you need to have professional account and so on, but it doesn't really matter. As you can see, I also have a locked profile, but I still have that option, so it doesn't really matter. The only thing here is that you need to be patient until Meta actually releases the update around your region. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.